Good morning, Albanian International School. Today is January 31st, and it's the perfect day to be curious. The best way to learn is by asking why and how. Let's start the day with kindness. Ask someone about their favorite book, sport, or maybe even their dream job. What do you want to be when you are older? You might learn something new. By the way, why did the student bring a ladder to school? Because they heard the class was on another level. All right, so tomorrow is February. It's a brand new month. So with this, we have many new opportunities for discovery, including also diving into a little bit more with Black History Month. Some important upcoming events. The first is that we have our big basketball game against Toronto International School today. Student council elections were supposed to be this week. However, they will be postponed to next week instead. Teachers, in addition to students, will also be voting in these particular elections. As you also know, parent conferences are coming up very soon, and they'll be next week, February 7th. I am very excited for them also, as I hope everybody happens to be. Other part, of course, that Kindness Week will be starting the week after on February 10th, lasting through the 13th. And on February 13th, we have some great events planned to maybe include a barbecue, and also watching a movie after school. Now, our character value today would be all about curiosity. So what is curiosity? Curiosity means wanting to learn more, asking questions, and exploring new ideas. As you know, every great scientist, inventor, and leader started with curiosity. Today, be curious. What's something new you want to discover? Now, our word of the day is about wonder. So, what is wonder? A feeling of wanting to know more about something. Example, when you see the stars at night and wonder how they got there, you're using curiosity to explore the universe, and you're wondering about what happens to be around us. By the way, as most of you know, I very much happen to have a passion for history. And where does this come from? Curiosity about the past. Now, you might not notice that today is the anniversary, January 31st, 1958, of the first U.S. satellite being launched into space. This was America's first step into space exploration, all because scientists were curious about what was beyond Earth. I'm curious, if you could send a satellite into space, what would you want to discover? On different parts, can you estimate how many steps it would take to walk to the moon? I've always been curious about that. They're walking to the moon in steps. So it's 384,400 kilometers away. How long would it take to walk to the moon? But of course, you have to also get back to planet Earth too. Now, in science, curiosity can also lead to big discoveries. Did you know that curiosity led to one of the biggest scientific breakthroughs ever? In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the first true antibiotic, because he was curious about mold growing in his lab. This discovery saved millions upon millions of lives. So, what I want to remind everybody today is that curiosity is a superpower, especially when it's combined with wonder. It helps us discover new things, solve big problems, and make the world better. So today, be curious, ask questions, try something new, and explore the world around you. Who knows? You might discover something amazing. Have a fantastic day, a curiosity-filled day, and I will see everybody back on Monday.